Hi there, lovers of trucks and braking experts. Let's take a thrilling adventure into the fascinating world of semi-truck braking magic. Get ready for an incredible investigation into why these enormous road warriors choose the extraordinary, the only air brakes, instead of the commonplace. That's correct. Air brakes are the unsung heroes of the trucking industry. A world where the rhythmic dance of air molecules propels and stops semi-trucks as they soar through the asphalt cosmos. Prepare to enter the ethereal symphony of pressurized air, where braking is a cosmic ballet of compression and release rather than just a function. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're going to reveal the fascinating mysteries of why semi-trucks use the mystical force of air brakes to pirouette to a graceful stop. Prepare yourself for an astounding discovery. The enchanted air-filled pipes and pixie dust-infused pistons in these magical brakes work together to transfer magical force from the brake pail to the brake pads. A unicorn horn-powered piston in the brake master cylinder is activated when the driver summons their inner sorcerer and applies the brake pedal, causing a rush of magical air to flow through the brake lines. The unique air is directed toward the brake calipers or drums, where pistons move outward to perform their magic. The brake shoes or pads are compressed by these pistons, putting mild pressure on the wheels. By doing this, the strong semi-truck is effectively and carefully slowed down. The power of air is used by air brakes, as opposed to fluid, to stop these enormous machines. The brakes release their tension and take a brake when the air tanks are filled. However, the real action begins when the driver determines that the truck needs to be stopped. When the brake pedal is slammed, the air is forced into the brake chamber, pushing the diaphragm inside and initiating a series of events. This engages the S-cam, which in turn engages the discs or presses the brake pads up against the brake drum to apply the brakes on the car's wild ride. The air is released when the driver depresses the brake pedal, allowing the wheels to roll again. The way the truck's compressor carefully returns the air pressure to its initial level is akin to a dance between air and pressure. You may be asking yourself, what's the catch? Indeed, the dreaded potential for leaks presents an Achilles heel for air brakes. But do not panic. The truck's brakes will engage in the event of a tire blowout, offering a safety precaution that is preferable to none at all. In addition, there's the problem of water accumulating in the pipes. Fortunately, this can be resolved with the help of drain valves and a reliable air dryer. For those unexpected cold weather situations, certain air dryers even have heating features. You see, these enormous road monsters choose air brakes, not because they are more dependable or provide better braking efficiency, but rather because they are drawn to the enigmatic appeal of compressed air. Yes, you heard correctly. Air is the unseen force that brings these hideous machines to a stop. The truck's engine powers an air compressor that creates compressed air that is kept in tanks and is ready to be released through brake lines at the driver's whim. A world where air brakes are selected for their mystical resistance to extreme temperatures and weather conditions. Forego the everyday reality of consistent braking performance and instead picture a symphony of unbridled drama on the highway stage, and with the captivating allure of fail-safe features who needs practicality. In this magical world, the air brake system applies itself automatically if the air pressure falls too low, adding a dramatic element to an already captivating performance. It's about the audacity of defying logic with an air of unbridled fascination, not about connecting trailers or the practicality of fewer parts. Let's sum up our exciting exploration of the world of semi-trucks and air brakes in this final section. Air brakes are a fundamental component of the trucking industry's symphony, akin to a syncopated dance between metal and air. Unsung hero of the road, air patiently pushes and pulls these enormous rigs to a peaceful stop. Thus, the next time you see a semi-truck stopping elegantly, stop and admire the pure poetry of air brakes coordinating their tireless performance on the vast highway stage.